Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to part 3 of the Python basics. Part 1 was all about the introduction and the installation. Part 2 we talked about the Python fundamentals. So this part 3 we are going to talk about the Python operators. So basically, operators are special symbols that are used to perform operations on variables and values. For example, when you take an example of 2 plus 3, here, the plus is an operator that adds the two values 2 and 3. So I will be taking you through the seven groups of operators available in Python. You have the arithmetic, you have the assignment, you have the comparison, you have the logical, you have the identity, membership, and bitwise operators. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about the arithmetic operators. So it's just a simple thing. You understand the addition, the subtraction, multiplication, division. Maybe something here you don't understand as of now by this, but you already know what it is. So, but I'll just show you how it's done in programming or in Python. So we are going to define two variables. So we are going to define x that would store a number like 5. Then we are going to define y. We are going to assign it a value. Let's assign it 9. So we are going to do the addition, which is definitely it's simple. We are going to print the addition of x plus y. So we can just do the add x plus y like so. We can do the subtraction. It's just simple. It's something you are going to do very fast. So subtraction, which is now you understand why we define the variables in programming. So that's how you use them. Okay, the other thing is multiplication. Simple. X times y. That. Other thing is division. Simple. Do it like that. X divided by y. Get the value. The other one is flow. So I'm going to explain this. The flow division. It's like when you divide a number. For example, when you divide let's define x as 9 and y as 5. So that we can do the division and the flow division. Means, for example, when you divide 9 by 5, we are going to get 1 and the remainder of 4. So it's 1 whole number and 4 over 5. So it's going to be 1 4 over 5. So instead of that, the flow division omits the remainder. So when you do the division of 9 by 5, you are going to get the answer as 1. It omits the remainders. And you find there somewhere you will need that. Automatically that will happen. If you get to be serious in doing projects, you'll find somewhere you will use the flow division. Okay, now the module, what it does, it takes the remainder. For example, when you divide the module is represented with percentage. When you take 9 divided by 5, it's going to be 1 whole number and a fraction 4 over 5. So the remainder here is 4. So for the module, it always prints the remainder. So 9 divided by 5, the answer here would be, it's going to be 4. The remainder of 9 divided by 5. The other one is power or exponential. Something of the kind. I don't remember the name, but it's power. So power of something. So I'm going to do that. Power will be x power 9 to power 5. Power means it's like 9 is what you call power. 9 to power 5 that. So we do it with the two asterisks or the one for the multiplication. So we do it as I'm showing you here. So and that's all for arithmetic. You can learn the code and see the results match with what I just told you about the flow, module, and power. So arithmetic by the flow division. The flow division is represented with two. About that. You can see the flow division takes the whole number. It omits the remainder. So when you divide the 9 by 5, it's 1 whole number and a fraction of 4 over 5. So it omits the remainder, which is 4. It omits, it takes the whole number. When you go to modulo, it takes the remainder. It always outputs the remainder, and then the power, it's like, just like I just explained. So, and that's all for arithmetic operations. So, see you in the next video on assignment operators. Thank you.